In this video, we are reviewing the Monk Manual. Is it a planner? Is it a journal? How do you use it? We're going to learn that in this video. Hello, I'm Katie, and welcome to the Planner channel. Subscribe to watch new planning videos every week. This video will be in 3 parts. We're going to do an unboxing. Thank you so much to Monk Manual for sending us something to review. Next, we are going to flip through everything that they sent and then head on over to their website and learn a little bit more about the company. Okay, let's see what they sent. It says Live Life Full. Ooh, what's in there? Monk Manual, being plus doing. There's their little logo stickers. Thank you. All right, I'm gonna open this first and see what's in this. It looks like a card. Oh, I hate tearing paper. Welcome to our newest member. So this is about the planning system. Thanks so much, Steve Lawson. Or all the best, Steve Lawson, founder of Monk Manual. There's their hashtag and Instagram. Getting started, tips. You can learn more with the QR code or go to the website. Oh, this is interesting. You write yourself a note with your intention for the next 90 days. That's a cool start. Okay, oh, this looks like a little notebook. Let's check it out. What's in here? Ooh, it's a little dot grid notebook for jotting things down. All right, let me grab my my thing and open this up. Okay, let's uncellophane. So the Monk Manual, we will get the size and material information from the website when we go visit over there, but it's a small size, see? A small size book binding with an elastic closure, and I see some ribbon bookmarks in there. We will get to those, but let's get started in the front. So it has your page for writing in your name. This says printed in China with soy-based ink on acid-free paper. There's only one place to find joy, purpose, and God, the present moment. Let me zoom in so we can see it full screen. So this page has a letter and some information from Steve Lawson, who's the founder of Monk Manual, and why he started it. It talks about the PAR method, which is short for prepare, act, and reflect, which is parallel to the approach of a monk in daily life. So this talks all about the method for planning weeks, months, and starting where you are. More details on the website, which we will learn in a little bit. Awareness, clarity, and wisdom. So here is our monthly overview page, and this is undated. I just want to flip. I want to flip through. Okay. So monthly overview pages, it says monthly right here. You can fill in your dates. It has check-in for different areas of goals in your life, reflection, relationships, prepare, and priorities. Here's another month. So it looks like all of your months are together. So you have your months together. Also, this is I think it's a 90-day planner. So 1, 2, 3, they have 4 months in here. So enough for 4 months actually. And let's see how much is in here in the weekly section. We'll get those details as well when we go to the website. But it's not a full year planner. It's a 90-day, I believe it's a 90-day planner. Okay, so your first week on the weekly pages has your prepare priorities, a to-do list, personal growth, relationships growth. I'm looking forward to reflection, habit trackers, meaningful moments, God is teaching me, and how can I improve for next week. So here's our weeklies in that same format each week. So I want to flip through those. and then a daily section. Okay, so you have all your monthlies, then your weeklies, and then your dailies. So let's check out the daily section here. So it looks like 2 pages per day, space for your date, your hourly schedule, 6 a.m. to 10 p.m., a to-do list, a gratitude place, looking forward to, 3 priorities for the day, ways I can give, reflection, and what can I improve for tomorrow, some journaling section. So then you have your whole daily pages all the way through. Let's see what's back here. Daily pages through till the end, which is dot grid paper. All right, so let's go learn a little bit more about this. Is it PAR method for planning? Let's see, prepare, or PAR, prepare, act, and reflect. All right, let's head over there and learn about that. Click on over to Monk Manual's website, which is right here. Let's check, let's just click this buy now. I want to see what all the details are for the Monk Manual 90-day planner, a daily system for peaceful being and purposeful doing. Here's the planner we just reviewed. Oh, so since it's a 90-day, when you buy them like a whole year's worth at one time, they offer discounts. So 2, 3, or 4 manuals since it's a 90-day system. I want to look at the specs. So the size is 8.5 by 5.5 inches, which is the perfect size for taking wherever you go. It has, like we showed, it has the monthly, weekly, and daily pages, has plenty of space for a full 90 days, printed on high quality acid-free paper, 240 pages, and like we saw, soy-based ink, saddle stitch binding with vegan leather cover, and it lays flat. So let's go over to this about, I want to read the mission and then how it works. So the mission, productivity at the service of life, live life full, transcend a flat life of grind to one that is full of peace and purpose. Well, that sounds awesome to me. Here is their mission. We're on a mission to fix modern productivity and help people live fuller lives. Okay, so let's go over to how it works. The PAR method, a daily rhythm for a fuller life. So I want to get down and see if it gives us like our step-by-step. Here it is. So the PAR method. The PAR method offers a daily rhythm for peaceful being and purposeful doing. Prepare, act, and reflect. So of course there's more about that here on the website. Let's go over and shop. I want to see what else they have. Okay, so the 90-day planner is the one we just looked at. It retails for $38. They also have extension packs, which is goals plus calendar. They have mini journals. They have these journals, a starter kit, stickers, and some merch. There you have it, the Monk Manual, being plus doing. Leave a comment down below and let me know what you think of the Monk Manual system. As always, check out the description box for all the details about the products shown in this video, along with some additional resources. If you like this video, hit that thumbs up button and I will see you in the next one. Bye!